Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at an item that the company did send me and did compensate me to make a review on and show you a little bit about this specific product. So what this is an electronic training collar or a dog training collar. It's up to 4,500 feet is the distance on it. You can see here. Small, medium, and large dogs it's suitable for. Has a 2.8 inch high definition LCD screen right here. It's portable telescopic antenna for maximum distance. This actually comes up and I'll show you that in a minute. Do a quick unboxing. I'm going to show you a little bit about it. I'm going to put it on my little friend here and to show you how it looks. So let's just do a quick unboxing. This is how it comes in the box. Again, this is a high quality. It's got the shock, vibration, beeping, all that kind of stuff that you can adjust. All that is really super important. It does come with a manual. That's pretty easy to understand. Everything is large print, which I do like that quite a bit. That's really super important. Also, this is how it comes packaged. Came packaged very, very well. Just my first impressions. I like the way this remote feels on the hand. It's all packaged nicely. We'll untake everything out of the package. We'll get that all ready. It does come with the magnetic charging for the collar that snaps onto the collar that you can charge it with the cable, and a USB-C. What this is actually what they do here, which I do like this quite a bit actually. It's a two-in-one. I like that. So you plug it into the USB, right? And then you have the two charging ports here, one for the collar and one for the device. So you don't have to worry about running around losing two cables. You have one cable, one's for the collar and one is for the actual device itself, which plugs on the bottom, USB-C at the bottom. So that's how that works. Also in here, in the package, here's the collar itself. We'll take that out of the package in a minute. And also what's in the package, let's take this all out here. Let's see what we have here. We have a little lanyard. I mean, you can put on the actual on here as well, so you can carry it around so you won't lose that. And we have a tester. Now what this is here, that you can actually make sure that the voltage is working. You can test it and just double check and make sure those voltage is working. That's what this is for, and I'll show you that in a minute. Also, it does include different prods that come in the kit itself, and also covers. And these are, so if your dog has very long hair, you might need a longer a prod or a shorter one depending on the dog that you have. So that's what these are for, and they come with the covers, which is really nice. So that comes with everything here, all included in this kit here. I get everything out of the package here. The collar seems really nice super quality. It fits all size dogs, like I said. It's got plenty of room here. You can just adjust this easily up and down, different sizes. It does have two prongs already on here that are on here. You can take off very easily. These just come right off. They just twist on and off. You can see the prods right there. You can see that, how they come. So I'm going to give this a quick charge before we move on with the rest of the review. I'm going to show you that. So how this works, this is the magnetic charging, like I told you before, like I was telling you. That just snaps right on just like that there. And then we're going to plug this into our remote here. And we're going to give it a quick charge, a couple of hours, and then we're going to come back and continue. Guys, I just gave it a quick charge. It's all set to go. Like I showed you all about the prongs already here. They give you some extra ones. There's already some on here as well. It's all charged up, about 60-70% charge. I got it up and running. That way we can get going with the demonstration. Again, I can give you some specs on this. This is a IPX7 military grade waterproofing. That's what it says. Again, for swimming, hiking, heavy rain, perfect for any activity under demand, all that kind of stuff. Really extreme kind of use. It is good. It's a 2.8 high definition screen. Really nice. It is 50 days of battery standby. That's what it says. Also, range is 4,500 feet. That's a lot of, that's far. 4,500 square feet. That's not square feet, 4,500 feet, which is really good. I like that as well. Crystal clear signal stability gives you all the information. I'll show you that in 1 second. And the for the dogs between 8 pounds and 125 pounds, the collar will expand up to 25 inches. So that's some of the quick information about that. So how do you turn it on? So there's two buttons here. There's one button right here. This is to lock it. That way you don't make any mistakes. And this button is the power button right here, right there. And this is the retractable antenna. Just pop this out if you need additional range, just like that. So that pops right out, very easy. To power it on, you hold it down for a few seconds. I'm going to show you. And that's going to actually connect right up. It's going to search for the collar. Takes a few seconds, boom, and it's already set to go. The collar is already on. And when you turn the collar on, this C will light up. You'll get confirmation also with all the commands go, and that will, you can see it actually blinking right there. Hopefully you saw that right there. That'll blink to let you know that there it is right there. The power is on. So that's really good feedback, right? So here we go. You can see all this here. You get the meter here that tells you how much the signal is. The battery is 100%. It tells you that. You just see that shuts off after a few seconds. Hit that again. You got the power levels, you got the vibration, and you got the shock. Everything's controlled by this remote control. Okay. Now to toggle through, bottom button here will toggle through the different settings. There's the shock, there's the sound, there's the vibration. So this button right here will do those three things, 1, 2, and 3. And then each one of those can be controlled separately by this the device here. So that's one way you can toggle. Also, you can just tap on the actual sound itself. You can tap on the vibration. It goes right to the vibration. You can tap on the shock. It goes right to the shock. Or tap on the sound. It'll jump right over. So you can 2 different ways of accessing those. You can either toggle or you can actually hit on each one of those buttons and it jumps right to that specific function. The level's up and down, right? This is up and down right here. And this is a different sound. This is the shock. So this is really laid out really, really well. So let's see. Let's do the vibration. I think that might be the easiest to do. So you can hear that. Let me put up a little louder. You can hear that. Now let's turn it back here. Hear that. You can see light up. So you can see that. That's pretty powerful. It's got a good vibration to it. That's really good. And if you want to crank it up more, let's see how high it goes up. So let's go up all the way up to the max, which is 18. That's some serious, that's going to get to the attention of your dog. That's crazy. Oh, there you go. Oh yeah, I wasn't pressing it down hard enough. Sorry about that. Let's try this one here again, 5. I like that. Let's try 4. All right, let's try 3. Okay, you got to press down hard. I wasn't pressing hard enough. Sorry about that. 2. Okay, and then 1. Okay, so if you hold it down, does it continue doing it? Yeah, so if you hold it down, it'll continue doing those beeps just like that there, so you know. And then the last one is the actual shock itself. Now, to see the shock, I'm going to put on this adapter so you can actually see it. Like this here, this is a little adapter that snaps on here. That way you can see, at least you can see some of the shocking there. So you can see that's 1, very, very light. Let's crank it up a little bit more. You can see that light blinking. And then 7. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, so it's flashing more. There we go. So you can see that flashing when I hit that button. That means electricity is going through there. And here is crank it all the way up. That goes way up. It's 26. That's up there. You can go all the way up to 99. Now, I wouldn't recommend 99. That looks pretty nasty. I wouldn't do 99, but it gives you, I mean, if you need it, I don't know. But I mean, it just shows you the options that you do have with this type of collar. There you go right there. So that gives you how that works. So all that works beautifully. It's perfect. I love that. Let's take this off here. Put these little prongs on here, like this little protector. Now, what I want to do is just give you just a quick demonstration of my little puppy here. So even my little friend here, it does fit. He's got a very small neck, and you can adjust it even for something as small as him. As you can see, it fits on his neck really well. It's blinking, it's connecting, and it's actually going to work quite well. So it does work well, and if you have to adjust the prongs to make to make sure they're hitting the correct, make sure it hits the skin. That's why you have different sizes to make sure they fit. But all in all, the quality of this build is excellent. Number one, I want to tell you that right now. Quality is excellent. I see nothing wrong with the quality. I see nothing wrong with the remote control. The feedback is good. The way it charges is good. The information is important. I like the overall look of everything. It does exactly as it says, and I think that's really, really good. It works the way it's supposed to. And let's just do that sound one more. Just crank up that sound again. Let's hit that. There's the beeping noise again. Let's crank it down a little bit. Yep, it works the way it says. Yep, sounds good to me. Let's do the vibration one more time. No, that's not the vibration. Where's the vibration? Right there. Okay, vibration. There we go. Crank that up. It's all the way up to 18. You can see that feedback. You can see how that just goes. Get that feedback right from the collar. So it does what it does. It does what it says. Hold it down. And make sure you hold the button down. All right, cool. All right, guys, that's what I have for you. I'm definitely going to recommend this. If you're looking for a good quality dog trainer, this is going to work quite well. I like the feedback of the signal I like that quite a bit. I like the battery feedback. I like the screen's big and bright, and it's very easy to see. I like the little dog in the corner jumping around. And if you have, I think if you have multiple collars, I think you can sync it to different ones. I'm pretty sure. I would say that might be the way that goes. So that's cool. All right, power it down. Hold the button down to power it down. You can see powering off. Boom, easy breezy. And then shut down the collar. Same idea. Just hold it down. Boom, just got a feedback, and that is off. All right, that's what I have. If you enjoyed the video, please check it out. It's definitely it's a good little product, good quality. I like the build of it. It's pretty heavy. It's pretty beefy. Feels really, really good. And this really feels really, really good. So I like this all quite a bit. I think it's going to work quite well for your dog training. It's going to make a big, big difference. Honestly, it's important, especially with the antenna. I like that a lot. Good features, a lot of good features, and a lot of good features and benefits. So I hope I brought you some value. If I did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, follow, like this video, wherever you're watching this on any platform. Please do that. It really helps me out quite a bit if you follow me. And I hope I brought you a little bit of value, a little bit of knowledge when it comes to technology like this. It's so important to know how things work, how they feel. They feel really good. They feel like it's very well made. I don't see any issues at all. It's just a nice little product. It really feels good in the hand, and I think you're gonna really get a lot of use out of it. And that's what I have. So I appreciate your time as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you at the next review.